Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming your switch is updated and the adapter is compatible. That avoids driver glitches. Next, plug the adapter into the switch dock's USB port. If using USB-C third-party, connect to the console directly and ensure power. Once done, attach your Gamecube controller to the adapter port marked Player 1. You're starting the core connection now because correct hardware choices prevent input lag and detection failures later on. Now you'll go into System Settings, then Controllers and Sensors to test detection. This confirms the switch recognizes the controller. If needed, go to change grip/order to register it. Press a button to pair. For adapters with remapping or turbo firmware, install the adapter tool on PC first, then apply desired mapping. Make sure to test inputs in a game or calibration screen so you can spot dead zones or swapped buttons before play. Finish by placing the dock and cables to avoid strain. A loose USB causes intermittent disconnects. If buttons are unusual, update the adapter firmware or reinstall its driver on PC because firmware fixes mapping and latency. If detection fails, try the quick reset. Power off switch, unplug adapter, wait 10 seconds, then replug and restart. This resolves most handshake issues. And if inputs still fail, swap ports or try another controller to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.